Shop Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How y'all doing? We're doing good. Plugging away at shop. I've been stuck at the microscope for what feels like months, but it's not 2 months. It's not months. It's a couple weeks. Engraving class mixed in there, but yeah, we're clicking away and probably have I'm gonna say I got another week. That is expectations, which can lead to disappointment. But I'm gonna say another week on my TCA piece. So I'll show it to you. Get a little peek. This is the first. This is the first side that's done. Oh yeah, there we go. Now you can see what's going on. Got it all stone finished. All my shading, as you can tell, is in there. Plugging away. Kind of fun. Kind of fun doing that gold over and unders and a little ribbon and the leaves in there. A little bit to it, but that's cool. Kind of coming out of the borders up there at the top. That's cool. A little bit down here at the bottom. Playing with it. That's not something I normally do for sure. But fun times. Enjoyed the heck out of it. So anyhow, we're almost done with that. And mouthpiece over there. Patreon's rocking and rolling, doing good. Got some new followers. The podcast is rocking and rolling, and that's doing awesome too. Lots of people participating, and that's I never dreamed that the podcast would be fun, but I am enjoying it. And Carrie and I, we're gonna record one this week and have a new guest that'll pop up there on Monday. So that's gonna be fun. I have our second guest, and yeah, tune in Monday, see who it is. It'll be fun. But I say it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. What else we got going? Announcement. I told y'all I've been threatening, I've been warning. Spur class coming up. It's coming up. It is on the website September 12th through the 15th. I think that's what it is. So that will be it. That'll be the Spur class for this year. And nothing else scheduled. My workload is piled up on top of me, and I am excited to say it. So that's all good, but you want to get signed up for the Spur Workshop, you can get on it now. Speak now, forever hold your peace. Think I got 8 spots on that thing, and that'll be it. So if you want in, get in. Pay your deposit, and you're in there. So what else we got? I don't know. It's April. And warm weather already here in Texas, so I'll give you a little weather report. You know, men like weather report. So all's good. Y'all need me, holler. We're gonna plug away. I'm gonna get back to work so that this week doesn't turn into 2 weeks on this bit. But see y'all soon. Adios.